Alright guys, here we are at part 2, and right now we're going to learn to encrypt and decrypt. So, let's get in the terminal here, and we're going to start with GPG, encrypt, recipient, and then here we're going to put the thing that we put in that little comment field earlier. If you remember, we used the word user, and then we're going to type the file name that we want to encrypt. Now we're going to use file.txt, but file.txt doesn't exist yet, so I'm opening up a new tab in the terminal with Control-Shift-T, and what I'm going to do is first touch file.txt, which just creates it, or you can just do nano file.txt and then save it out. And we're just going to type whatever kind of gibberish we want in here, just anything random, blah blah blah, and when we're done we're going to go ahead and encrypt it. So let's save the file. Let's close this little terminal. Yeah, everything made it in there. So we can close this terminal. And we can run this command now. Alright, so let's make sure everything's in there. Okay, and this is the unencrypted file, so now we're going to look for the one with the .gpg extension on the end, and that's going to be our encrypted one. So let's just take a look at what it looks like in there. Ah, perfect. Everything's all jumbled up, just as we thought. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try and decrypt it. We're going to pretend like somebody sent it to us. So we're going to use GPG output new file.txt for the new file that we're going to generate. Alright, now it's asking for our passphrase that we used earlier. I hope you picked a good password. And as you can see, it has generated our file. So as you can see, we have a decrypted file now. Everything's worked out good, but if you'd like, you can decrypt it inline without making it into a file if you don't want to leave any evidence behind or anything like that. And it's just real simple. You're just going to do GPG decrypt and then whatever the file name is. And it'll show it to you right there in the terminal, assuming this works. Yep. There we go. Now we're just going to type in our passphrase, and there it is right there in the terminal. We don't even have to worry about the file being left behind. Now all we have to do is just clean up the bash history and it'll be gone. So to share the file, we're going to use GPG armor output, and then we're going to just name a whatever file. Well, no, maybe I should make it a .text. Something doesn't seem to be working here. Oh, I know what it is. I left part of the command off on the end in my notes here. That's the problem with written notes, is that sometimes things aren't all on the same line. So what I forgot here was to tell it to export it to a file there, and I just specified my name in the comments, which was user. So let's go ahead and see what it is exported, and as you can see, that's our huge our public key block right there. So let's pretend like that's somebody else's public key block that just got sent to us. We're gonna go ahead and import it into our keyring. Now, importing it into your keyring is going to make the process of corresponding with these people a lot easier. You can also list them, like list all the keys in your keyring by using GPG list keys. So there it is, folks. We've taught you how to encrypt, we've taught you how to decrypt, we've taught you a little bit about using the terminal. Hopefully you've learned a lot, hopefully you like it. If you do, go ahead and click share, like, and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you like. Share it on Twitter, whatever. I appreciate all of you, and thanks again to Homer Hot Dog for suggesting this tutorial. Once again, guys, this is James with Geek Blog TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.